Hey everyone, Miss Larson here telling you about the Genetic Technologies Webquest. For this week's module, it's going to be a little different, so just check this out. This week, February 8th through 12th, is a short school week because of parent-teacher conferences and teacher vaccination day. Since it's a short week, I'm providing you with a different type of module. Instead of the normal ed puzzles, KIA, activity, and discussion, you only need to complete a 25-question Genetic Technologies Webquest because it's a short week. In the WebQuest, you will explore different genetic technologies and think about the ethics of using some of these genetic technologies. In most cases, you will be able to choose whether you want to learn by reading on your own or by watching a video of me reading or telling you about the genetic technology. There are also a couple of videos from online resources that are fantastic. The WebQuest will be done on Google Forms. Pro tip, once you open this Google form in a new tab on your Chromebook, please do not close out of the tab until you have submitted the Google form. I suggest just doing this assignment all at once. Google Forms will not save your answers if you close out of the assignment before you are done. Also, be sure you click submit at the very bottom of the Google form when you have finished the assignment. Otherwise, I will not receive your information, I won't get your work, and I will not be able to give you any sort of score on this module, and you will have to redo it. This module will be worth 50 points instead of the normal 100 points because it is shorter when it goes into Parent Portal. And if you have any questions or concerns as you work on the module, please reach out to me and email me. You have my email address there. So here's how to do this. You click on the Google form link, and then you come to this Google form and you would fill in your basic information like you usually do. You're going to watch a video on Human Genome Project and then answer the question. Then you can choose to either read by clicking this link. It would take you to this website, or instead you may listen to me read and answer some questions about eugenics. Next, you watch this video about genetically modified crops and answer questions about that. Next, you choose. You can either read or watch me read about genetic technologies and how they are used to make medicine. So that's the website you could get to from that. Or you can just listen to me read about it and show you about it. Then answer these questions. Then you're going to look at DNA fingerprinting, and that is a way that people are able to catch criminals and match up long lost siblings and other relatives. But you can read about it on your own if you want. It's a pretty long article. Oops, guys, I'll have to put the correct link on there, and I will do that. It's a pretty long article, though, about DNA fingerprinting. So I just want you to know you can read it or you can listen to me explain it. And I don't read straight from the article on this one. I actually just tell you about the pictures. So then you answer these questions. And then the next thing you can do is to read about prenatal genetic testing or listen to me read about it. But the cool thing about this site is that you can actually listen to their computer generated voice if you don't like my voice, or you can even get this in Spanish and you can listen to it in Spanish if that is preferred for you. Then you answer these questions below. And next, you are going to learn about cloning. So you can use this website to learn about cloning, and you would want to then use actually both of these links. So you could go to how they cloned and then go back once you've read that and click why cloning, and then you can go back if you wanted to see the original page again, or you can just watch the video of me going through that and answer questions 21 through 24 based on that video or that article. And then finally, I want you to decide which DNA technology is most interesting to you and why that one. Then make sure you submit your answers. If you're worried about it, send me a copy of my results before you submit, because that can send you an emailed copy. And then if there's something goes wrong on my end, you have an email copy to back yourself up. Thanks for listening.